Hello everyone and welcome to this series of learning the Arabic alphabet from scratch. And this is part one of three-part video where we're going to divide the Arabic letters into three groups. The first group is foundations, the letters that sound similar to English. And next video we're going to look at similar shape. And finally the third video would be the advanced sounds, or the sounds that they are a little bit tricky to work with. Okay, so what I want you to do is listen to how I pronounce, how I write the letter, and also I want you to, after finish watching the three videos, to go back and re-watch it to get better understanding when I write the example, that you now familiar with all the letters. Okay, so let's start, and the first letter is Alif, and this is how I write it. It's just a line going down with this symbol on top. And the letter Alif, and as we said last time, is that every letter has different forms. But the main thing is, does the letter connect before and after with the following letter or the letter before it? So Alif connects with the letter before it, but it never connects with the letter after it. Okay, so that means instead of having four different format, it has only two format. This one, and if there's another letter connecting to it, it will look like this, like an L. But since we write this way, it feels like a reversed L. Okay, so let's put it in a sentence and see how it, in a letter, sorry, and see how it goes. So we have this word, Asad, and if I want to write the pronunciation in English, I have A S D. I say Asad, Asad. I want you to practice writing even the letters that we don't know yet. You're gonna learn them in the upcoming videos. So Asad, here we have Alif on the beginning of the word. Let's take a look at another word. This is Sa'a, Sa'a. And look, where's the Alif here? It is in the middle, so it comes connected with the letter before it and going up. This is Sa'a. Okay, and then the next letter is the letter Ba from last video, the letter Ba. And let's take a look at the, how does Ba look if it's in a different parts of the word. So if it's in the beginning, it's gonna be like this. If it's in the middle, it's gonna be like this, and at the end will be like this. Okay, and Ba connects before and after. So if it comes anywhere in the sentence, it's gonna connect, unless the letter after it or before it does not connect, and there it will be separate. I know this is too much of rules, but you're gonna get used to it. So let's take a look at some example. Can you spot where is the Ba here? Yes, it's the second letter. So this word is pronounced Kabir, Kabir. Or we can just write it like this, Kabir. And here the Ba comes in the middle, so that's why we have this format. Okay? Next one is Ta. And last time I told you that dots are important, and also the how many dots and where are the dots is as important. So the Ta, like T, is same curvature like a Ba, but it has two dots on top. Two dots on top, that's Ta. For example, Tufah, Tufah. So where is the Ta here? It comes in the beginning of the word. So Tufah. And Ta, just like Ba, connects before and after. All right. Next letter is this one, and it's meme, or the m sound, meme. So the meme, if it comes at the end, if it comes separately, that's how it looks, and it connects before and after. And if it comes in the beginning, it will look like this. If it comes in the middle of the word, it's going to look like this. And at the end, connected is like this, and separately is just like this. All right, let's take an example. Let's take more than one example. Let's go with this word. It's just two-letter word. And you can notice how the m comes at the end, connected to the letter before it. This is fam, fam, and it means mouth, mouth, fam. Okay, let's take another example. Let's take, where's the M? Is the letter in the middle, and this is Jamal, Jamal, which is camel in English. Actually comes from Arabic. All right, so let's continue. This letter is Noon, and again, you see this curvature, it comes a lot. But this time, instead of two dots or one dot on the bottom, it's just one dot on top. And this is the noon sound. Okay, so the noon or na is similar to ta and ba, has the same idea of connecting before and after, and also has this different format. Okay, and it's not different format, it's just lining to connect. Remember when we said it's like cursive? So examples, we have this word here, and you actually know two letters out of the three letters that we have. We have the n, we have the meme, and the r. So this is nimr. Nimr, that's tiger. This is tiger. Nimr. Okay, let's take another example. And let's say, okay, now you know all letters of this word. We have alif, n, and then alif again, but at the end of the word. So this is ana, which means I, as in I am so and so. Next letter is wow. And I'm not saying wow as in I'm doing a good job, but the letter actually called wow, which is the wa sound. And the wow is just like alif, connects before, but it never connects after. It never connects after. Okay, so examples, we have this word. So what is this word? This is walad, walad, and that's boy, walad. And you see, since the wow never connects after, it's separated from the next letter, because wow only connects before. If it does connect before, how would I write it? I would write it like this. And this line would be connecting to whatever letter comes before it. Right, so next letter is ya. And let's see how we write it. The ya is like this. Looks like a ba, right? But it has an extra curvature. This is the ya, or the ya sound. So let's take a look. The ya, if it comes in the beginning, it will look like this. If it comes in the middle, like this, two dots, remember the dots? And if it comes at the end, it will be like this, connecting to the letter before it, or separately, will be like this. And the ya connects before and after. All right, example, we have this word is Medina, Medina. So M-D-I-N-A. Okay, so Medina, where's the ya? It's here. And that's Medina. means city. All right. Next one is ka, or the ka sound. In the ka, let me write it again in a very clear way, like this. Like an inverted L with this curvature on top. So the ka, if it comes in the beginning, connects before and after, of course. Okay, so when it comes to the ka, if it comes in the beginning, it's gonna look like this, and in the middle, gonna have the same connecting line, and if it comes at the end, it's gonna look like this, or separately like this. All right. For example, let's take an example, 3 examples. When it comes in the beginning, we have, at the end, you see how I write it. This is the ka, this is samak, which means fish, samak. And here's the ka. If it's in the middle, let's take like this, and see alif doesn't connect, so that's why it's separate. And this is the ka, la, akil, akil, which means food, food. And one more example, let's say kitab. So kitab is written like this. And wow, you know all the letters. We have ka, ta, a, b. So since the a does not connect before, we have it separate. So this is kitab, which means book. Oh, sorry, it means book. Amazing. Let's go next. Okay, next letter came a lot in the previous examples, but it's like L, and it's technically just an inverted L. So L connects before and after, and that's actually most of letters. And let's take the example as the one that we actually studied before, Jamal. Jamal, camel. We know the meme connects before and after, and then the L or La connects before. And since it's the last letter, there's nothing after it. But let's take another one. Let's take another one. And here, you know the N, M, N, sorry, La, Ya, Mim, Wow, Nun. That's Laymun. Let me write it in a better way. Lemon. All right. And finally, for our last letter in this video is the letter Ha. 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 As in Henry or hotel. The Ha, if it comes in the beginning, connects before and after. If it comes in the beginning, that's how I do it. If it comes in the middle, let's focus, goes like this. And if it comes at the end, it goes like this. And if it comes separately, it goes like this, just a circle. So Ha is one of the letters that I want you to focus more with, because it has 4 different formats: beginning, middle, end, and separate. All right, no dots, since dots are important. So if I say, we have Mahara, Mahara, and this means, let's write it in English first, Mahara, Mahara, and this means skill. Okay, and one more example, we have Hadiya, Hadiya, which means gift. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy it, and again, make sure to come back and watch the video once you finish all 3 videos, and practice writing, practice pronouncing the letters. And In the description box, you'll find a Google Doc with all the letters, so you can also have a document to go back and study from. And have a good day. Bye bye.